Hi, my name is Mitch McCoy. I'm Vice President of Strategic Accounts for Design Reactor. Today I'm going to give you a brief tour of the online ROI or profit predictor that we've built for SAP for their Business by Design software. It targets small to medium-sized businesses that are service-oriented businesses. And what we've done is we've allowed them to input two pieces of information, their company name and the number of employees. So I'm going to input Acme. And I'll say I have 200 employees, and then I would select Let's Go, and then what happens is I'm immediately brought to a page and I have a quick disclaimer pop up. It says here's my disclaimer, here's how the calculations are in US dollars. By the way, this profit predictor is also localized into, I don't know, maybe 6 to 8 different languages as well as currencies. Here I'm going to say yes, I understand how these estimates, where they come from. So I understand that, show me my results. And based on those two things, the number of employees really, we've been able to use industry benchmarks on how different service firms perform and give the approximate return on investment they could experience if they were to utilize a software package similar to this. So Acme Profit Predictor, your financial world in a 360-degree view. So first of all, we have a nice breadcrumb trail down the left-hand side here. These are all the areas that we're going to give an approximate return on investment calculation for. So the first is revenue growth. Acme could potentially add 3.2 million in revenue with an ERP system such as the SAP Business by Design solution. As I get this information, I click on Next, and I go to the next ROI calculation. My annual revenue per billable consultant could increase by 122,000, and I would click on Next. I'd get annual revenue after that, and I get another calculation, boost Acme's annual revenue per employee by 157,000. I'll click again to the next one, projects managed, and by the way, these rotations, these animations, these work just as well on a mobile device. We've optimize this for both desktop and mobile experiences, so it's actually fantastic engineering. Some really great work going on here. Here's another one, increase Acme's project margins per project manager by 145,000. Again, these are calculations based on industry benchmarks, and they really are meant to say, hey, look, there's an important message here. The companies that perform very well, they're using these types of packages, and it's benchmarked and proven, and it's giving other companies the ability to really understand those differences and get them intrigued. So your pipeline can increase, your billable utilization, great graphics in here, easy to read stuff, 20% here, increase Acme's billable utilization by 20%, and your billable hours, a calculation here as well, per year could be added per consultant, 260 billable hours. So we go to Next, and now I get sort of a summary, and I can print this out and get a summary of this whole piece. I can also find out more, and this links me to a lead generation page for SAP where I can register and say, yes, you know, this really is a software that I want to understand more, have somebody contact me. So that's our tour for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.